Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my video watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing, that's all you had to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. And lately I've been going down that list. People been leaving comments what they want me to cook and everything. I've been trying to do my best and get down that list. I'm still working on that list, and today I'm doing something special today. Off of that list. So today, what I'll be doing today, I'll be doing some teriyaki baked salmon. So today I will be using this Power XL. I will be baking it in here. As you see, I have my top on it and everything. And it's gonna be ready in a second. I'm gonna get it heated up. But first of all, let me tell you what I'm gonna be using. Today, I have a nice piece of salmon right here, as you see. And my hands is clean. It's nice and pink and everything. It's nice and cut, nice and good. I'll be cutting this, putting this whole piece in there. As you see the back, that look good, just like this. So I'm going to use this right here, and I'm going to use half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of teriyaki sauce. And I'll be rubbing it on here and everything, get it nice and good. So first of all, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to take a little dab of this salt right here, and I'm just going to rub it all in here, like just massaging it. So I'm just going to put it all over so it can get nice and good in there. Just take it and just make sure it's good. Sprinkle that on there just like that. Put a little seasoning on it. So you'll taste a little bit of everything in there. And I'm just going to rub it in just like that. Rub it in nice and good. It's just like massaging it and everything like that. Do it just like that. Get it nice and good. I'm going to take my black pepper and I'm just going to put it in all over it. That way, with the teriyaki sauce, you still be able to taste a little pepper in there, and it'll have that little extra season to it. And just spread that in there. And you know, this right here, this salmon is a very fast cook. So you don't want to overcook it and you don't want to undercook it. So I'm just rub that in just like that. Get it nice and good. So when you bite it, it'll be good. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different in this Power XL2. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to set some foil paper in there, set the salmon on it and everything. But first of all, I'm going to get it started. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it on bake. And I'm going to set the timer. It's on bake, so I'm going to set the timer. I'm going to set it for 375. 375. And then I'm going to set the, how many minutes. I'm going to set it. And then it only takes really 10-15 minutes to cook it, but I'm going to just set 20 minutes on it because it has to preheat first. So that's going to take up some of the minutes by preheating. So I'm going to set it for 25 minutes, so while it's preheating, it don't take up all the time. So, and I'm going to press start. As you know, it's preheating, I press start. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my hands again. What I'm going to do now, since I got all this in, I'm going to let it cook a little like this before I put my teriyaki sauce on it and everything. As you see, I got it nice and good right here. Got the salt and the pepper on it and everything. So what I'm going to do now, so when it starts preheating, I have my foil paper. I'm just gonna sit it on this foil paper like this. And I'm gonna sit it just like this. So I can sit it right in. When I get ready to take it out, I can take it out by the foil paper. Sit it right on there. That was pretty easy. As you see, I set it right there like that. And I'll be picking it up like this, putting it inside when it get finished preheating and everything. And then after it cook for a little while, I might take it out about 7 or 8 minutes, and I'll put it right back here, and I'll start putting my sauce on it, and I'll put it back in and just let it finish cooking. So now I say add food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up. I'm gonna raise it up. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set this nice in here, seasoned, and I'm just gonna drop it in just like that. And just drop it in there and just sit nice and good in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna press start. And it started at 25 minutes, but I'm gonna be checking on it, make sure it just don't overcook and everything. And so it come out nice and tender, and it's gonna be delicious. So, you know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step and everything. So what I'll be doing, I'll be checking on it. We'll be checking on it together. So I'm gonna raise the top up in about 6 minutes and take it out and put the little sauce on it, put it back in, maybe let it cook for another 4 minutes, and that'll be 10 minutes. And it's a nice large piece, so it might be cooked just a little bit longer than that. So in the meantime, for all you first time viewers that's watching, you know Mr. Belle, wash your dishes as you go. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for the kids, don't leave it for your friend. If you wash it while it's cooking, everyone will be happy. Everyone enjoy the food. Nobody had to worry about who's washing the dishes. The dishes is washed. It's not that many today, but I will be washing them. And thank you. Okay, it's been 7 minutes, so I'm going to raise the top up. We're going to take a peek at it together and see how good that's coming out. It's coming out good and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it up so you can see how it looks. That looks good. It's coming out good, nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread this sauce over it. Matter of fact, I'm going to take it out so you can really see how it looks. I'm going to take it out of there, and I'm just going to do it like this. I'm just going to let you see. I'm just going to pour this sauce on it like this. Just like that. And like that. And I'm going to put it like that. And I'm just going to spread it on there. All over there, just like this. And this is going to be delicious. It's going to have that taste. It's not too much sauce. Has just enough sauce to get that nice, good taste on it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it back in. And I'm going to set that top down, and I'm going to let it finish cooking. And press, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to let it cook for maybe another 8 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it another minute, and that'll be 16 minutes and all, another 2 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some cilantro on the side of it. I'll wash the cilantro off, put it on the side of it, and when it cooled off, we'll be tasting it and see how it come out. And this is my first time doing it in the Power XL like this, so hopefully it comes out good, and hope you enjoy it. So it's almost another minute, so we're gonna raise this top up together, and we're gonna take a look at it and see how nice and good that came out. Let me raise this top up. Oh yes, that's looking good. That's looking nice. So I'm just going to take it out and let you take a peep at it. Lift it up. As you see, I used the foil paper, and it's easy to lift out, no problem lifting it out and everything. And that's coming out real good. As you see, it needs just a little bit more. And I'm going to use a little more that time and just let it cook just a little bit more. And put it in there just like that and let it finish cooking. The top is on. I'm going to let it go the extra 5 minutes. And this right here is the baked salmon. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment in the box. For all you first time viewers, if you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. And like I said, I put some cilantro on the side of it and everything. When it cooled off, we'll be tasting this together. And thank you.